use those a lot. Of course, other videos, follow-ups, or see if they watch those. Live events, if they're local, Super Saturday, live event, kind of a Super Saturday type of thing. But really, what do most of us really have? Most of us don't have a local Super Saturday. It's not going on every day, every week. What do you do on a Tuesday night that you know you can do every Tuesday night? What do you do on Thursday night? What do you do on Friday night? What do you do on Saturday night? So the one thing we all have is that 5 o'clock Pacific time, 8 o'clock Zoom, the Pinnacle Zoom. So we all have that. So we all should be using that as a second multiple exposure. Okay, but what else? What are your other tools in the tool shed? Okay, like I said, we use some things so you can use three-way calls. Okay, so that can be another tool in the tool shed. Oh, you got to talk to AJ. Oh, you got to talk to Liz. She's amazing. You got to talk to blah, blah, blah. You got to talk to, okay, so you got the three-way calls, three-way expert. You've got other videos. You've got live Zooms. Okay, and I think most people kind of run out there. They're like, oh, but that's at least 3. That's 3 multiple exposures. But what if you need 7?